I'm very delighted to introduce Mr. Rajan Kumar. Mr. Rajan Kumar has secured two times All India first rank in the engineering service examination in electrical branch of engineering. Last year, 2024, he was the first ranker in the ESE, and this year, 2025, also he was the first ranker in the engineering service examination. Rajan, double congratulations to you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Rajan, two times All India first rank in the engineering service examination. How was it possible?
Yes,
What qualities, what strategy did you follow? Can you please elaborate, Mr. Rajan?
sir. I secured All India rank two times, but haven't ever thought that the result would be always first rank. Uh, it had been possible because after passing in year 2024, I started my preparation again from the scratch and uh, and focused heavily on the those points that I have not covered earlier. And revision and test series, I always kept revising and giving test series and learning important concepts that made it possible to secure once again All India rank one.
Okay. Mr. Rajan, you have taken from ESE Engineering Academy for your preparation the engineering services prelims
Yes, sir.
online test series. Earlier also you availed online test series for your gate preparation. You please tell us how
Yes.
this ES Academy online test series helped you in your preparation.
Sir, the test series helps me to analyze where I am lagging, those subjects where I lag. And ACE Academy test series, the statement and region questions for prelims where really helped me to solve in the actual paper and those type of statement and region questions, and also helped me to understand the nature of the exam and the difficulty level of the UPSC paper. That helped me a lot, and I also make revising notes whenever I see that my score were not good in the test series.
Okay. If for your revision purpose, have you prepared any short notes? Otherwise, only you revised your full length notes.
Yes, so I used to keep short notes with me where I used to write important topics that I had to study, especially in some formula that I can keep revising. So I used to make short notes, sir.
Okay. Short notes means, of, see, for example, let us say electrical measurement subject, right?
Yes,
Otherwise, your network subject. How many pages
yes,
you used to maintain for that for those type of subjects? Approximately, how many pages?
yes. Sir, asking about short notes.
Short notes, exactly. Short notes, short notes. Can I
Sir,
say 8 pages, 10 pages like
yes,
that?
yes. Yes, sir, in network, I never needed short notes because network had lot of practice in network. But in measurement, short notes is needed, especially for mains when we see problems on CTs, current transformer and potential transformer.
Hmm.
There we have to keep those formula ready in our short notes so that in mains we don't it won't be difficult to derive those formula. Maybe we can apply directly the formula and get the result.
Okay. Suppose if
Yes,
you take those lengthy subjects of electrical engineering like power systems, machines,
yes, sir.
etc. Did you prepare any short notes for those lengthy subjects?
For machines, I think for machines, no, sir. Uh, Machines, I used to practice as much as we can.
Hmm.
For machines, power system, control system, these subjects, we generally have lot of practice.
Okay.
We give lot of time and effort, so short notes is not required in this subject, but mathematics, signals, so communication, and other subjects which we don't give much time, or we study later in our preparation near the exam, their short notes may be helpful.
Okay, right. So you mean to say that short notes not necessary for all subjects, right? For some subjects
No,
you
sir,
can
short
prepare.
notes not necessary.
Okay,
For
that's
some
good.
subjects, it may help us to
Okay.
get marks. Yes, sir.
Mr. Rajan, you are from IIT Roorkee, right? You passed out in the
Yes,
year
sir.
2021.
Yes, sir.
So when did you pursue this idea of preparing for the engineering service examination? Because you happen to be an IIT and you
Yes,
might get even good campus placements also. Why you wanted to switch over towards this engineering services?
sir. I passed out from IIT in the year of 2021, and I worked for 2 months in data science field. But that field didn't really, I didn't really find what I am looking for. Like for electrical engineering, as having background of electrical engineering, I thought that I can mm, first join PSU after cracking GATE, because the GATE exam is relatively easier and 1 day exam. But later in year 2022, I had not qualified for engineering service prelims. Mm, then I give more efforts in these years. In year 2024, I got selected. In this year, I got selected. So the journey of engineering service examination began mm, uh, by this, sir, as I told the story.
Okay, right, right. You said that you prepared for GATE exam also, right? 20 to
Yes, sir.
23. Do you remember your GATE
2020,
exam ranks?
sir, in the year 2022, I got 326 rank, and it's all because test series of
Okay,
GATE.
good.
Test series I practiced a lot in year 2022.
Okay. So you might got even some PSU job also. Didn't you try?
Sir, I was offered NTPC
Hmm.
NTPC job, but at that time I was learning for engineering service, so I had to make a decision to continue our preparation or join PSU and serve there. I still kept learning for ESE.
Okay, right, good. See,
Yes.
last year first rank and this year again first rank. So maybe you again took this ESC exam keeping in view the railways. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Railways was attention for us.
Hmm.
I even gave this exam for railways only, not
Okay,
to
obviously.
yes, not to make history that you are getting 2 times all India rank one.
No, no, I do
I gave
understand. I
exam
do
for
understand.
railways,
Yeah. So
so
your
that
main priority is the
yes, sir.
railways, right? Okay. See, last year you
Yes,
got a first rank in ESC. So presently, how are
yes.
you occupied, Mr. Rajan?
Sir, I am presently occupied in Central Electricity Authority.
That CEA. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Rajan, you are the right person to ask this question. If you
Yes,
see this ESC prelims part is objective oriented, mains part it is a conventional exam, right? Descriptive
yes,
type
sir.
of questions are there. What was your strategy up to the prelims examination, and what was the strategy after prelims exam was over?
Uh, sir, for prelims exam, the strategy is that first of all, you should cover all the subjects which are in the syllabus. And it's because we can give more time on a single subject, but it's not necessary that we will do very good. But if we cover every subject, we may get a few marks from each subject, and if we add them, the marks, total marks will be more. So my strategy were always that if possible, let's complete every subject. And and second thing is test series, and analyze the test series and revise them. Once you see that you are stuck somewhere, or you are lacking some concept, then revise them again.
What about the mains preparation after prelims exam was over? This is only
Sir,
descriptive questions.
for mains preparation, uh, I think we need to give more time on practicing questions. And when we need that, sometimes we see something is lacking, we can revise the notes also. Or but as I said, if you cover every subject in prelims stage, then in the mains stage you won't start from revising and learning from a scratch. Then at the mains stage, when you reach there, you can only practice questions. And I think if we look that if we look the questions in conventional paper are more or less in the same format. They
So
are numerical based in this time, and practice can make to score high marks in mains paper.
okay, to practice these conventional questions, what was your source of material? Did you practice the PYQs of the ESE? In addition, again, did you practice the
Mm.
PYQs of civil services or forest service examination?
Sir, I just practice from engineering service PYQ, and then test series, classroom offline test series. I practice from offline test series, and I didn't make it. I didn't get more time to practice because two
Okay,
3 months are there.
okay.
So
So,
yes,
as per your opinion, Mr. Rajan, if you
yes, sir.
practice the PYQs of the engineering service examination and in case you have taken any coaching, etc., the classroom notes and the workout examples there. Was it
Yes.
sufficient, or do you think to refer to any other textbook for additional practice of questions?
Sir, for getting good rank in this exam, these things from coaching, ACE Academy, there the contents are sufficient, I think. Because in the year of 2024, I did not referred any standard textbook, but for the preparation of this year, I looked at some textbook. I think that that's sufficient,
Okay, good.
but we can
Rajan,
learn things from textbook.
okay,
Some things we can learn. Yes, sir.
okay, Rajan, you are the first ranker last year at this year also. Do you
Yes,
remember
sir.
your marks last year in the ESC 2024? Because this year the marks are yet to come out, right?
Yes, sir. Last year, from starting from GS paper, my marks were 92 in GS paper, 227 in technical paper prelims, and
Okay,
190 and 175 in the mains paper, in the both mains paper, and 120 marks I got in the interview.
interview 120 marks. Okay.
Yes,
Good, right. First rank, right. Rajan, I think in your preparation you might have prepared the entire syllabus. Suppose a person,
yes,
because of lack of time, lack of resources, etc., he wants to prepare selectively, let us say 80 to 90% of syllabus of electrical engineering. In such case,
yes, sir.
what subjects do you suggest the person who wants to prepare only 80 to 90% of syllabus?
I think, sir, in GS you cannot you can skip current affairs. For GS, you can skip current affairs, and for
Because too lengthy,
technical,
right? Hmm.
yes, sir. I have not studied for current affairs,
Okay. What
and
about
in technical. papers like computer fundamentals, they require more time. But still we see that reviewing the previous question, we will see that even in computer fundamentals, some type of questions are uh, asked each on year by year. So it will be logical and matlab helpful to, even if we can get time, give our time on computer fundamentals like subject also, or communication systems, exam it will be benefited.
Okay,
It will
that's fine.
benefit a lot.
Okay, in the technical,
But still, as per convenience, we can always see which subject is less likely to be asked. For example, in mains, communication system problems on communication system is, I think, one or two. So for mains point of view, communication system may be kept side. But the same subject, communication system, are on the same subject in prelims, 10 to 12 questions are, or maybe 7 to 8 questions are asked. So for prelims point of view, communication needs attention.
so mains you can take a chance, you can keep it aside, right?
Yes, mains you can take a chance on communication, I think, and computer fundamentals, C++ programming, in electrical engineering,
Hmm.
and you can still choose some questions out of 8. You can choose some questions which you know to solve, and the luck may be with us. The luck may be with you.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
This year, Mr. Rajan, in the mains examination, in paper one, paper two, how many marks did you actually attempt out of 300 in each paper?
Sir, in paper one, I attempted around 280 marks, and in paper two, I attempted around 260 to 250 marks, 250 to 260 marks.
Okay, right. See, what was your strategy on the day of the mains examination? Because we have some compulsory questions. Again, we have some, right, optional. You have to choose 5 questions out of the eight.
Yes, yes.
Again, we have one conventional question each paper. What was your strategy? Did you attempt the
Sir,
first
on the
compulsory
mains
question and
exam,
then went on other questions?
yes, I started first solving question number one, and then looking for one or two question in group section A, uh, because because we have mandatorily to do one, at least
Yes,
one
yes,
question from section A.
yes, yes.
So I first solved question number one, and then looked for one question in section A, and then I moved to section B. And
Hmm.
there also I solved question number five, which is compulsory, and again looked for one question in section B. That may be easiest question out of those, and then I need to choose one question from either section A or section B. So again, I will look all the remaining questions of section A and all the remaining questions of section B, and will choose the last fifth questions from either section A or section B, whichever I at the last stage of, matlab, at the end of 3 hours, how much time, 40, 50 minutes are left. I may choose depending ki how much more I can solve in those times, in the last times. That's
Okay,
my
right.
strategy in the mains paper on that day.
Okay, right. Coming to the what you call your DAF, right? I think this year in your DAF application form, you have given that services only railways. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only railways you have given, not any other service.
I have given railways as a first and
Yes.
second preference, and
Hmm.
then have given other preferences also.
Uh,
Yes.
what was the need to give on other preferences? Because you already you had a first time you are working in CA. You wanted to fill up that DAF, right?
Sir, in the DAF, we have to give 10 preferences.
Okay, that's fine. Even if you don't give, also that's accepted. Normally,
Yes,
you know, the rankers like you, first ranker, second ranker, third ranker. They give only two or three preferences, whichever they want to switch over. Right? Anyway, that's fine.
But sir, DEF is filled before the result.
Uh, but even then, you are already having the first rank, you are working in a C. Okay, that's fine, Mr. Rajan. Coming to the last part, your interview there. Uh,
Yes, sir.
uh, can you share one or two interesting questions with us?
Sir, in interview, uh, panel members were asking, sir, chairman started the interview by asking about my hobbies.
Hmm.
My hobby is yoga, so they asked what are other four exercises
Hmm.
beyond beside yoga that helps to be fit.
Hmm.
And then they asked three three things that India is doing good and three things that are challenges in front of us. So chairman asks questions in this, and members started asking questions from power electronics. As I said that my favorite subject is power electronics, so they started from DC to DC chopper, boost converters, and I think my interview sir went on with the DC to DC converters. Each member one by one asks questions on the same topic, DC to DC converter and their working principle,
Okay,
and
right.
some other question that may be linked to the discussion.
Did they ask you that you are already having all India first rank? Why did you take ESC again?
These questions was sir not asked.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
This
Okay,
was not asked, sir.
okay. Maybe they might have understood that the railways included.
Yes,
That's why
yes,
you again gave that ESC. Rajan, last question. From your successful journey of two times All India first rank in the ESC,
yes,
can
sir.
you share a few tips and suggestions to the aspirants of engineering service examinations?
Yes. Sir, first thing that I will like to say that even my journey uh, became doesn't started from listening to the our teachers. So first listen to the class lecture very carefully. Maybe someday they are saying something which will be asked in the exam, and you haven't paid attention to that. So first thing is that you should listen to them and make class notes in proper way that you can revise and relook. Second thing is that you should practice as more questions as you can, and you should cover all as more subject, as many subjects as you can that are asked. Uh, and I think that these things, these two things that we have to look uh, in our mind.
Okay, one more question. What about this social media and its influence on you?
Sir, I was not active on social media from after my I passed out in my college. So I was not active on social media from
So that's
since a
fine.
long time,
Okay.
3 4 years.
So that is how you could save a lot of time, right? Okay.
Yes,
Rajan, I once again congratulate you for having secured All India first rank in the ESC two times, last year and then this year. And
yes.
thank you for sparing your time with us and discussing that your preparation strategy. I once again congratulate you and wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you very much, sir, for
God
giving me
bless you,
this
Rajan.
opportunity. Thank you.
God, God bless you, Rajan. Thank you.